Greetings, DIY enthusiasts! Before we delve into the world of chainsaw chain sharpeners, take a moment to check out the link in the description below. These handy tools are essential for maintaining the sharpness and efficiency of your chainsaw blades. Sharpening rather than replacing your chainsaw chain not only saves money, but also extends the lifespan of your equipment. So stay tuned as we explore 4 of the best chainsaw chain sharpeners on the market. Dive into the features of our first sharpener. Don't forget to check out the link below to get your hands on this tool. This sharpener stands out with its unique design and ease of use. It's a manual type, which means you'll have full control over the sharpening process. However, it might take a bit more effort than an electric model. On the bright side, it's extremely durable and cost-effective. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this could be it. This sharpener could be your go-to tool for keeping your chainsaw in top condition. Next up is our second chainsaw chain sharpener. Remember, the link below is your gateway to purchase this device. This sharpener stands out with its unique features, including its user-friendly design and quick sharpening ability. Its pros are its efficiency and durability, which outweigh its minor con of a slightly higher price. Consider this sharpener if you value these features in your chainsaw maintenance routine. Moving on, we have our third sharpener. Visit the link below to add this to your tool collection. This model stands out due to its unique features that make it a star performer in chainsaw maintenance. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses, but don't let that deter you. Its advantages far outweigh its minor flaws. This sharpener might be the missing piece in your chainsaw upkeep. Last but not least, we present our fourth sharpener. Check out the link below if this seems like your ideal tool. This model impresses with its unique features, tackling the toughest sharpening tasks with ease. However, every rose has its thorn. While it excels in performance, it may be a tad heavy on the pocket. Nevertheless, if durability and efficiency are your priorities, this sharpener may just be the solution to your chainsaw sharpening needs. We've explored 4 fantastic chainsaw chain sharpeners, each with their unique features. From manual to electric, these sharpeners offer a range of benefits, saving you both time and money. They're designed to keep your chainsaw blades sharp, extending their lifespan and ensuring optimal performance. Whether it's easy usage or cost-effectiveness, each of these sharpeners has something special to offer. Don't forget, a well-maintained chainsaw is a safe chainsaw. Remember, the link in the description below is your route to these sharpeners. Make your chainsaw's maintenance easier and more efficient today.